Got the dash panel cut out. I took it, rolled up about a 1/4 inch to this edge. The usual way with pliers, since it's curved, you couldn't put it in the brake. So I took the pliers, bent it up, and a big old piece of iron and the hammer. And the reason I done that is so to have that nice rounded edge on the bottom, which is going to be exposed. So it's got a nice smooth edge on the bottom there. Yep, dash is moving right along. I think I roll some beads in it. Get me a pattern. Might mess it up, and then again, might make it look better. We're gonna find. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna roll some beads in the dash panel, see what make it look better. Okay, I got one bead pattern laid out. Got to make these curves on the end. So I'm gonna do this one, and then if it works out good, I'll mark out a couple more. Wish me luck. I'm a bead rolling beginner. Here comes the hard part. Didn't miss it by too much. We'll see what it looks like. Too late now. The good thing about spraying it black and rubbing silver over it to make it look like orange metal, it's going to hide. You won't be able to see that. Once I do that, you won't even be able to see that. You won't even notice it. You got to look real hard to notice it. So that's one good thing about painting one black, rubbing silver over, is you hide a lot of the inconsistencies. But yeah, layout is the most important thing. Dash panel. Yeah, that's looking alright. Some of those beads are a little out of whack. But like I said, when I rub that black, when I spray it black and rub that silver over it, I don't think you notice them. I could be wrong, but hey, it is what it is. We got a ignition switch, start, light switch, radiator fan switch. We got an amp gauge, oil pressure gauge, water temperature gauge, and fuel gauge. Now the fuel gauge is chrome. I had to paint that bezel black on that so it would sort of match the other gauges. But by not buying a set, I saved $100 on those gauges. We're gonna see how that works out. Power supply. yeah, I think that's gonna be all right. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make that work. We can live with it. Next thing I got to do. Well, next thing I'm gonna do is finish this here and put a sun visor on it. So that's next. Sun visor is next. All right, appreciate you. Hey Red, what do you think about that dash panel right there? Yeah, I'm digging it, boy.